In this video, I will show you how to design this logo very easily. So let's watching the video. First take ellipse tool and draw a circle. Make the stroke color black. Now turn off the fill color. Okay, that's good. Select the circle, and copy it by hold Alt, and place the circle at bottom equal to the first one. Now copy it another by hold Ctrl and pressing D. Okay, that's good. Again take ellipse tool, and draw circle equal to the three circles. Okay, that's fine. Now select everything, and make it middle align center. Now delete this circle. Also select this circle. Now lift the circle upwards like that. Now take line segment tool and draw a line along with the side of two circles. Do it same the opposite side. Now select the circle and copy it by hold Alt and place it here so that the middle point of both circles are equal. Again take line segment tool and draw a line along with the top of the two circles. Okay, that's good. Now select everything and take shape builder tool. Also change the stroke color into fill color. Now draw this logo like this. Okay, that's good. Now move the design above from the lines. Okay, that's good. Now make the design colorful. So friends, this is today's logo design video. How is that? If you like the video, give a like and comment. Thank you.